Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the quick sound test of your SONOS Era 100. The music will be played on the Apple Music with the best lossless audio as possible on this application. So now you're connected, as you can see. Let's start. So actually I think that when the speaker is not that loud, when it's just, the volume level is set low, and we have almost no details in the song, and I think that's quite opposite. This should be like we have the lower the volume level, the more details should be here, and the higher the volume, the less details. Here it is a complete opposite of that. So yeah. However, I think that the sound quality of the speaker is very nice, and the price is telling everything about this. So I think that the quality is nice, but bass could be more punchy. But we can adjust all the equalizers in the application. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.